she's a body. She go like turn up with her friends so on the rooftop with a bomb shot. Padlock fine boys for the friend zone. Say you wanna dance so she go like turn up.
So guys, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have my sister here, Isis. My sister will be my model. I'm using my photo film, so basically if you cannot see me, it's normal. First off, we're going to fix the wig. Actually, this is what I've not done on my channel before. I think it's going to be really exciting. First off, I'll be laying down edges and be using this olive oil.
Sweet like sushi, sushi, nana, yeah. I like that thing, no, yeah. Me, I don't go come, oh, yeah, yeah. Mojara, me, yeah.
As the cat. Say, Jesus, Papa, yo.
Joe, Mama is calling you.
No, mommy, mommy, no.
Jesus is catching.
Steady giving them tension, oh, oh, oh.
Inside the hair, we're going to be using this mousse.
With a bomb shot, padlock fine boys for the friend zone. Say, you wanna dance so she go like turn up with her friends so on the rooftop with a bomb shot. Wanna chop you like sherry mango. The way that you want it that way, yeah. I like that kind thing, no, yeah. Me I don't go come, oh, yeah, yeah. I like that kind thing, no, yeah. The way you want that way, so, yeah. I like that kind thing, no, yeah. Me I don't go come, oh, yeah, yeah. Mojara me, yeah. The way that you want it that way, yeah. I like that kind thing, no, yeah. Me I don't go come, oh, yeah, yeah. I like that kind thing, no. The way you want that way, so, yeah. I like that kind thing, no, yeah. Me I don't go come, oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, like this hair is so nice.
You don't wake for morning, no money for pocket. You just stay one room. I pass my neighbor, you know get to. It's one finisher. Yesterday night, all your friends run away. Now which kind life could be so? See Francis young, we start together. Francis now, they drive the best. Francis wife, she don't born too. Francis now, they fly first class, yo. Believe but by God you no more. As long as you stay alive, we all stand a chance. We must do this there. Oh, ayo pare, ayo pare. As long as we stay alive, we must do this there. Oh yeah, ayo pare, ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must do this there. Oh. Night done the reach you. After 6 they nako. A big cameo. Belu tinto me. I beg you where she get ready. Me she enter kitchen no. Me she bring a malak belu efo. Make a chop, make a get straight to single. She see me so I know be life for you. Destiny no be dog race so. As long as you stay alive, we must reach the. She Francis young, we start together. Francis now, they drive the best. Francis wife, she don't want to. Francis now, they fly first class, yo. Believe but God you no more. As long as you stay alive, we all stand a chance. We must reach the. Oh, ayo pare, ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must reach the. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Baby fresh and no ready, cause killing them all of course. Ayo pare, ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must do this job. Ayo pare, hustle. Ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must do this job. Ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, you must do
Baby Fresh, I love this beat.
On you, Javigo,
Blow time, okay, oh no.
On you, Javigo,
Okay, oh no.
on you, Javigo,
Hala, wire, I'ma show Kala, Vanessa, Sandra, Cassandra, Ibadina fire, designer, Maya designer, you cannot deny ya. Para, and my voice don't para. My body don't they pay me, give me love, no stress me.
I think if you leave your country to another country, that people will try to compare if you come alone. I think if you came alone, it's not better. But if you have your sister in the same school, people will be asking you, why does your sister speak better French than you? And they don't even know that it's not really better French. That I don't say that my French is better, but at the end of the day, I think one, my sister likes to talk a lot, and I don't talk a lot, so that is different.
The both of us don't talk too much.
And two, I think language, if people talk about language, for me, I know that it's not like it's something that you improve on as you go on, depending on how many years you have lived. And I believe that if you want to learn something, no matter, or even it's 10 years later, you learn it, you know how to just do it. It's just for you to just put in mind that I want to really do it. And the language barrier, the basic things, you know it. Like me, I know the basic things, and I can use it to apply.
No, in the beginning, like she's not talking about now. Like you know, in the beginning, we don't speak French. Yes.
The beginning, I think the beginning was not difficult.
It was not
because
difficult.
everybody knows that you. But after you have to improve. But if you don't improve, you just say, then the same people that tell you that your French it does not look like somebody that's they start to speak French.
Yeah.
Then later they'll be asking you like, can't you improve on your French?
Yes.
Like the same people. So I just think like you have to really, if you don't want people to question you every day because of the language, you have to be improving. Even if you don't improve 100%, just improve at least 50%.
Yeah.
Let people see that you are trying your best. But that if something comes out from your mind, you improve. But if it's not come out from your mind, you cannot improve.
My brain, you get a super figure eight.
So if you have someone that is actually coming from Nigeria to come school here, being that we speak French, will you actually advise that person to come, or you just like let the person wait for better opportunity if they have better chance
There's
to go?
nothing like better opportunity. Like language, learning different language is a bonus because if you have business, you don't have to. Because at the beginning when we came, like some people will be saying things they don't know that you understand what they are saying, but because of they are in their mind, you don't know how to speak it. You cannot understand different. That's why I always tell people I understand better than I speak. So
Yes,
if you are trying to, people try to take advantage of the fact that you don't talk a lot, or they'll be looking at you as if you are a fool. But nobody's a fool. I don't react as the way you react does not mean that
You don't
I'm
know what
foolish.
you are
Like
doing.
it doesn't mean that I don't know what I'm doing. If somebody is coming like to study here, for me, depending on the type of student you are, and if you are coming to stay, you will be prepared to face a lot of difficulties.
Yeah.
Because example, me, I repeated in like before I got into high school. Then again, because I want to become a doctor, they asked me to repeat. That thing is very unfortunate, and I really feel very sad.
Yeah, she felt really sad.
Though I feel like it's not something that, like, if you teachers give you good appreciation, that one is a bonus. But because I've already been working hard since I came to France, so the only year that I
was sick and not perform well. That's the year. I just think like it's the work of the devil, but at the same time, I'm not going to give up.
Para, my body done they pay me. Give me love, no stress me. My phone it done they ring you.
The fact about the dark secret about all these things is that you cannot know it, or it's not the way you predict it. That's how it's going to go, because at the end of the day, the way they appear is not what they really are. Because if you choose, like, maybe for international student you want to study and leave, maybe though you don't have problem. But if you are coming to stay and you have to go to school, most people will not like to value what you want to give. Why? Because they are thinking, the first thing that you are thinking about is just you are coming. You don't always look at it like an opportunity. That
you want to come and be like them, or
no, the truth is that I don't want to be like anybody, because anything you are, I've already become, depending on the age you came, I already become who I am before I came to France. That is the things that people do not understand. You are already who you are before you came to any place. So people looking at like this person just
going to like want to take your space. Like
yes,
sometimes when you don't speak language,
the vibe of like you don't fit in. When you talk about what you want to be, everybody be like I don't really know. Like if you want to be go for a good profession, don't expect people to encourage you, because nobody will encourage you. Even the black people that look like you, they are worse than white people.
Oh my ginger, unusual figure eight, where they always bust my brain. You give a super figure eight. Why you shake your waist? Unusual figure eight, where they always bust my brain. You give a super figure eight. Why you shake your waist?
Unusual figure eight. Unusual figure eight.
Unusual figure eight, where they always bust my brain. You give a super figure eight. Why you shake your waist?
About sometimes when I'm speaking my French, I'll just translate it in English. I'll just say it the way I was supposed to say it in English, and people will just be laughing. Like I'll be like, "Well, I thought it's okay." Like, but what you are sure about what you said, that to you is okay, like to you it's understandable. But for them, they just want you to say it the way they say it in French. So that's just the difficulties that we get. But if you know what you are doing, if you know what you want, you don't want these situations to actually weigh you down. Instead, they actually made me to be strong. I actually know that life is really, really difficult, most especially when you leave your country to somewhere else. Like, this is a place that you never dreamt about in your life that you're going to be someday, like changing language. Because back then in Nigeria, when people from America come home, you know the accent they have, like you just be boiling like, oh my god. We all love that British accent. We all love to have that cute, like when you talk, everybody wants to turn back to see who is talking.
The problem with Africa for me is that we don't value ourselves. It's not, you don't value our accent, you don't value any thing that we have. Because for me, I look like I'll never be that type of person that will be like, when I was growing up, I think everybody had a mentality of people from abroad, they are more intelligent. Or if you have money, your parents, because you go better school, you are more intelligent. But when I really mixed up with people or went to competitions, and then I saw that like, everybody knows the same thing, but
it's just language.
It's individuals. It's not the school, because the teachers are intelligent. The students are intelligent, or your parents are intelligent, does not mean that you too are intelligent. It's just individual. Two, because all these accents for me does not make your life better. The history of last year, we learned about China, how China was isolated, was not participating with the world, and they were very poor people. A lot of people died during 1945 till today. Like before, they were in critical condition. They were very poor. They did many revolutions. A lot of people died because of hunger. They before China became more industrialized, they practiced a lot of before it was bad political parties, but they were able to actually choose. Like that process is the process of trying what will be best, what will work for your country. But that is the only thing that I've not seen about Africa. That instead of that ability or that zeal for you to change what that ability of trying what works for you instead of always looking out for people that are already developed. I always say, if you have a rich friend, does not mean you are rich.
No, just like you're lucky to be with them.
Nobody is lucky, because once you are bringing in something that other person does not have, because for me, I cannot be friends with somebody that's not making my life better.
Sit down the reach after 6 day nako. Ebi pamio. Belu tindu me I beg you sikirade. Me she enter kitchen no. Me she bring amala pelu efo. Make a chop, make a get straight to sing no. She see me so I no be lie for you. Destiny no be dog race so. As long as you stay alive, we must reach there. She Francis, we start together. Francis now, they drive the Benz. Francis' wife, she don't want to. Francis now, they fly first class, believe but don't you no more. As long as you stay alive, we all stand a chance. We must reach there. Ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must reach there. Wow. Baby fresh and nose cause killing them all of course. Ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must reach there. Ayo pare. Hustle. Ayo pare. As long as you stay alive, we must reach there.
About social media, for you, do you say that social media actually impacts in your life, or
Yes.
in the two ways? I think it's actually in the two ways.
Depending on people see that social media is toxic. Depending on what you want to go and look for social media. Like me, I'm not good. So people go there for wrong reasons. Like I don't blame all these Instagram girls for faking their life. That is what people want to see. If you are poor, you want to go and see what the rich people are doing. It's not what the poor people are doing, because they are not used to being poor. So if somebody has someone to borrow the rich life from, so far the person is making money from it. Like you cannot be doing Instagram and renting houses. Many YouTubers, before they say fake it before you make it, that is what social media is. You have to, people want to see luxury lifestyle. Look, I mean, the ones that see a lot of views is the ones that live luxury lifestyle.
Yes.
It's only like Kylie Jenner, the highest paid person. Imagine if she was not rich, how would she be the highest paid? Like everybody want to see rich people. Everybody want, even your channel, people prefer people that are lying than people that be genuine. But it's good. It's like that is what people want. If you can take that risk of giving people what they want, do it. That is what. If you want to make it, let's say if you go to room, you have to pay your room. So if you want to make it on social media, either you be all those Instagram guys that take picture half naked, or you just know how to fake your lifestyle. Even Kylie Jenner, she even have to be naked to make it.
Do you think that there's actually there's life there?
Life? Why is no life there?
Like for me, sometimes when I see some people pictures, I'm like, gosh, this person is bomb. Like, because I know some people that actually see my pictures on, like this actually happened to me. The people that just see my pictures, they were like, oh, this girl is so fine. And when they see you, it be like, I see like people are being disappointed. Like
They are disappointed.
Like they be like, oh, you don't look this way, Or I feel like
did they say that you look better or you?
they be like you are okay, like you fine, but when it comes to your height, it's not the same height when you take pictures.
They are stupid.
Gives you.
You know why I say
And
that?
I'll be like,
because at the end of the day, people want to take perfect pictures.
So
Prepare your mind. Like I always tell people get disappointed when their expectations is more than what you can offer. You already designed that place like this is ass. You already. Some people they only see your picture, but they are very happy to design your ass. But if they see that the ass, it will be like you are the one that is lying.
yeah.
But you are not lying. It's just them that have already imagined more than you have not even reached the place that you have before you even reach that place. They have already helped you to do everything.
And this makeup is so cute.
On you, just figure it. On you, just figure it. But they always bust my brain. We keep it super figure it. Why you shake your waist? On you, just figure it.
Makeup or flick. Oh shit. Baddest. Like this makeup is cute and whatever.
Was not.
Like it looks so cute on her though. Just look at those Instagram models.
Don't want to
Are you trying to belong?
I don't want to. I don't. I want people to like me for me. I don't want to fake anything.
Do you love your makeup?
Yes, I do. I do.
Guys, this is the end of this look. So if you guys love something like this to be doing makeup on models, please leave a comment below. And yeah, see you guys on my next video.
And don't forget to subscribe to my
sister.
channel.
We actually have a channel also, so if you want to watch our videos, I'll just leave a link to our channel on my description box, or I'll leave like on the screen right here. And yeah,
I think I'm going to get to know me better video after this.
So whatever, see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I told him I was born for this, yeah. Man, I believe in me, I'm a prophecy.